Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this special episode. Today I present you my new website I've been working on for the past weeks and I finally get it done and ready to go online. So without further ado, let's do a quick tour in my new website. Well, and this is it. Welcome to my new website. Starting from the homepage, of course, you will find the email and socials if you want to contact me for whatever reason you want. You're also gonna find a little phrase that I always kept in my head. Scrolling down, you will find normally 2 YouTube videos highlighted and also in the bottom a couple words about me. Next, we have the YouTube page. In this page, of course, you're gonna find all the videos that I post on my YouTube channel. This is an automated page, so every time I post a new video, minutes later the video will be available here too. I also have a little store. Not fully complete, as I don't have a card and payment methods yet, but I'm working on it. However, you have already a couple items, some in stock, some by order, and you can reach me by email or socials if you want to buy something. For now, just available for Portugal. Next is the gallery page. In this page, I will post photos and some descriptions of my works and also post some off-camera works, as you can see, for example, in this PlayStation 2 that I made a couple months ago for a streamer. And next is the partners page. Here you can find mostly repair shops that usually support the channel in various ways and also an AliExpress sponsor. You can click on the image and know more about them. And of course, if you want to be a supporter or partner, please let me know. And last but not least, I have a blog page. Here you will find all kind of news, questions, informations about technology, game and other interesting things. And you also can change the language between Portuguese or English. Well, and this is it. A project that I have in mind for months that finally came together with some hard work. I'm not a web designer and don't have any information in website developer, but I think I managed to make something interesting. For sure, this website needs to be improved, and for that I would like to get some critiques and ideas from you. So as always, thank you for your support and thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, comment and of course share this video. See you in the next one.